In today's video, I will walk you through how to change preferred payment method on PayPal. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the preferred funding source used for payments in your PayPal account. This can be a linked bank account, debit card, credit card, or your PayPal balance. To begin, access your PayPal account using the full website version. After signing in, look at the menu near the top of the screen and select Wallet. Once the Wallet section opens, you'll see the financial accounts currently connected to your PayPal account. These may include bank accounts, debit cards, credit cards, and your PayPal balance. Scroll down the Wallet page until you find the section labeled Preferred when paying online. In this area, PayPal displays the payment method that is currently set as your preferred funding source. Next to the current payment method, select the Change option. This will open the payment preference page, where you can choose a different funding source for future online payments. On the next screen, PayPal will display the payment methods linked to your account. Select the bank account, debit card, credit card, or balance option that you want to use as your preferred payment method. After selecting the payment method you want to use, continue by selecting Confirm. Once the update has been completed, PayPal will display a confirmation message showing the payment method that has now been selected as your preferred way to pay online. After viewing the confirmation message, select Done to return to the Wallet page. Back inside the Wallet section, the updated payment method will now appear as your preferred funding source for online payments made through your PayPal account. If you have multiple cards or bank accounts linked to your account, you can return to this section at any time and repeat the same process to switch to another payment method. The payment methods shown in the selection list depend on the financial accounts currently linked to your PayPal account. When you open the Change section, PayPal will display all eligible payment methods available for selection. Once you confirm the update, the newly selected payment method becomes the default funding source for future online transactions completed through PayPal. The process only requires opening the Wallet section, locating the preferred payment option, selecting Change, choosing a payment method, and confirming the update. After the confirmation message appears and the new payment method is displayed inside the Wallet page, the setup is complete and your preferred payment method has been successfully updated. And that's how to change your preferred payment method on PayPal. Thank you for watching.